Hey Body Geeks, welcome to the Daily 15, a video series 30-day challenge in celebration of March Madness 2021 to do 15 minutes or more of Pilates mat work a day to build a consistent practice. We're going to be working with the wall today to enhance our understanding of the basics, and I've got my long box for my reformer here with a couple of dumbbells shoved into the back. So if you're in a small space, just find something that you can put your feet against flat and push on it without it moving. We're going to start close to the wall, about 6 inches away, feet in parallel, about hip width distance apart. Inhale, your arms go up, and then exhale, begin to slowly roll down, trying to stay away from the wall. If you get halfway down and it feels like you can't make it, you get stuck, move a little further away from the wall and continue. Inhale at the bottom, and then on your exhale, try to make your way back up. Inhale at the top, and exhale, pull your tummy in away from your thighs as you round to go forward. Again, if you touch the wall, move forward. Inhale at the bottom, and then exhale, make your way back up. You're going to go about 3 more times, adjusting your position close to the wall each time that you go. And if it's easy and you can get down in your roll down without touching the wall at all, challenge yourself by scooting back a little bit. What you're going to feel is your hamstrings kick in to keep you from falling forward. 2 more times. Inhale, the arms go up, and exhale, make your way down. And inhale at the bottom, and exhale, roll back up. Go 1 more time and notice that this is similar to our roll up, which is the second exercise in the mat sequence. Good. We're going to come down to the mat and place our feet against the wall next. Once you're on the floor, turn and face the wall with your feet against the wall, your knees slightly bent, and your arms reaching forward. Lift up tall like you're holding the ceiling up with the top of your head, and then exhale, pull your tummy back, push against the wall, and slowly make your way down to the floor. Once you're there, take the legs higher up on the wall at about the level of your eyes. Pilates first, heels together, toes apart with your legs straight. Squeeze your legs together without pushing the knee joint back, and reach your arms in the air. On your inhale, lift your upper body. On your exhale, scoop your tummy and feel the 2-way stretch between your legs reaching forward and your upper body pulling away. Then inhale to lower your upper body and exhale to stay. Inhale, lift your upper body. Exhale, scoop the tummy, feel the 2-way stretch. Inhale to lower your upper body. Exhale to finish. Let's go 1 more time. Inhale to lift the upper body. Exhale to 2-way stretch, pushing the air out. Inhale to lower your upper body. Exhale to finish. Now we go for the 100. Inhale to lift your upper body, beginning on an exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stretch the arms. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 70. Inhale. Exhale. 80. Inhale. 2-way stretch. 90. Exhale. Last breath. 100. And exhale. Lower your upper body, reach your arms in the air, and then change your feet so that the soles of your feet are flat against the wall and you feel glued into the wall with both feet. And this is your roll up. Inhale to lift the upper body, same as before. On your exhale, scoop the tummy and feel the heels reach into the wall as you roll up. When it gets to the point where you need to bend your knees, but keep the rounded shape in your spine, and then go back down. Inhale to reach, feet into the wall, stomach in the opposite direction. Exhale to finish. Inhale to lift the upper body. Exhale to 2-way stretch to come up. Inhale to go back. Exhale to finish. For a little modification, you can scoot a little closer to the wall and bend the knees as before with the heels slightly away. And on your way up, you can grab the backs of your legs, help with your arms, but still find the 2-way stretch in the upper body. Once you come up, keep the shape and then make your way back down again. So you have a couple choices. We're just looking for the pulling the body parts apart. Exhale to come up for the roll up. And then inhale to go back down, stretch, 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 and then exhale to finish. One more time for the roll up. Inhale to lift, exhale to scoop, and then inhale to go back down and exhale to finish. Take your arms by your sides. Leave one leg in place. Lift the other leg in the air, either bent or straight. Make sure you feel really glued to the wall. Inhale, one leg circle. Exhale, the next circle. Keep alternating your breaths. We're going to go 5 in each direction. And one more for this direction. And reverse. Inhale to circle. And exhale to circle. So although there's this fancy stuff going on in the air with this one leg, either straight or bent, you're working on what's on the floor, stretching the foot into the wall and stretching the upper body away. Switching legs. Inhale to circle and exhale to circle. If your wall is in the way, you're only going to go that low with your circle. Keep alternating your breaths per circle. Full breath in, full breath out. We reverse. Inhale for a circle. Push the bottom leg into the wall to pull the stomach up into even the back of the neck. And let's go one more circle. We're going to do a roll up to transition. Inhale, the arms come up. And then you exhale to scoop and finish. Scoot a little bit closer to the wall now and put your feet back up into that same place that you did for the 100. Grab the backs of your legs and we'll start here for rolling like a ball. If it's more comfortable to you to grab the ankles and this is an easy balance position for you, try that version as well. A little bit more challenging. Then take an inhale and pull the tummy into the back. That's going to get you rocking. Then exhale to come right back up. Maybe you even place your feet back on the wall for support. Inhale to grow taller and pull the tummy back. Exhale to rock. And if you need that little bit of a push off the wall to help you keep your tummy scooped back, as opposed to throwing the head back to get rolling, that's what the wall is there for. And then if that feels like you could challenge yourself a little bit more today, instead of using the wall, grab your ankles instead. Try to stay in this same shape. Let's go one more time for the rolling like a ball. Inhale to go back, exhale to come up. Then put your feet down and scoot back just a little bit so you can put your feet back up on the wall where the 100 was. Reach your arms forward, pressing your feet into the wall. Make your way all the way down until your legs are straight. Make any adjustments that you need to make in the distance from the wall. One knee comes into your chest. Remember, same leg, same hand goes on the ankle, opposite on the knee. You can choose to leave your upper body down today and just work on your two-way stretch, or lift your upper body and come with. Let's go. Exhale, pull. Put the foot back down against the wall and reach. Find your two-way stretch again. Then pull the other leg in. Inhale to reach. Exhale to pull. 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 Let's go 4 more. Again, head down is an option. And if you feel like you want a little bit more challenge today, instead of coming back to the center with 2 legs, you're going to just switch them in the air. Inhaling for 2 legs, exhaling for 2 legs, but still focusing on using the wall to find your two-way stretch. Then we go 2 legs in, put your head down and rest. Let's practice the arms and legs. Inhale, the arms and legs go up, circle the arms back, take an exhale and grab it. Inhale to reach. Circle the arms around for the double leg stretch. Inhale to reach. Exhale to circle. Now let's use the wall for help. Place the feet one at a time back to that same position that they were in before. They're just going to stay there and we're going to pretend the legs are moving. On your inhale, lift your upper body. Exhale to scoop your tummy and reach your legs simultaneously. Then squeezing your arms right next to your legs, hold that position. Inhale to reach the arms up. Exhale to circle and grab your legs, lift higher. Inhale to reach the arms up. Exhale, belly away from feet. 2 more times. Inhale to reach. Exhale to pull and squeeze. Last time, inhale to reach. Exhale, pull and squeeze. Stay there. Slide one leg in the air. Grab that leg. Give it a pump. Put it back down. Reach for the feet. Grab the other leg. Give it a pump. Reach back down for the feet. The breath goes exhale to pull, inhale to reach. Similar to our single leg stretch, this is the single straight leg stretch. Again, the head can be down if you'd like, just to work on the pushing and pulling actions of the feet into the wall and the stomach in the opposite direction. And let's go for 3 more sets of the single straight leg stretch. If you have the flexibility to grab a little bit higher on the leg, go for that. But really, we're just working on this oppositional force happening in the body today. And then the legs come down, your head comes down for support. Take both hands behind your head and pause there for a moment. You're going to use the push of the feet into the wall to scoop the tummy back and pretend that you're going to slide the feet up the wall and lift them off the wall. We're not going to really do that. Take a deep breath in. Then exhale, pull the tummy back, reach the legs into the wall as if you could slide them up the wall, and then stop trying. Go again. Inhale, deep breath. Exhale, scoop the tummy in, reach the legs and attempt to lift. And then one more time, just in your imagination, deep breath in. And then exhale and lift the legs up. Push off the wall and pull your knees into your chest. And then put your feet down so you can scoot a little bit closer to the wall. Take the same position, hands go behind your head, pull your knees into your chest, lift your legs up toward the ceiling. Start to lower your legs slowly so that your feet touch the wall at about the 45-degree angle, then rest them there for a moment. Scoop your tummy back, slide your legs up the wall, and lift. Inhale to lower your legs, place them on the wall at that 45-degree angle. Exhale, scoop your tummy to reach your legs up. And that's your double straight leg stretch. Inhale, the legs go down, rest them on the wall for a moment. Exhale, pull your tummy in so that you can feel the opposition lifting your legs. And the last time, inhale to lower. Exhale to pull the tummy back and lift the legs. If you scooted forward, you're now going to scoot back for the crisscross. Same position as in the 100 for the feet with the legs straight. Take your hands behind your head again. Inhale, lift your upper body, and on your exhale, twist to the right, pulling your right knee into your chest. Inhale to come center, placing both feet on the wall. Exhale, scoop the tummy, two-way stretch as you twist to the other side. Inhale to come back to center. This is our crisscross for today, and you're going to still focus on that same idea of the stomach pulling away from the leg. Let's go a little bit faster. Exhale, twist, inhale, center, exhale, twist, and center. 2 more sets. Head is part of that two-way stretch, reaching to the back of your mat. Last one. And then you're going to grab your legs into your chest and rock yourself up to seated. Put your feet flat against the wall for the spine stretch. Any amount of bend in your knees is just fine if you need the support for your back. Sit up tall and reach your hands toward the wall. On your exhale, round forward and attempt to put your hands flat on the wall. Inhale, help push yourself off the wall to come back up. And we'll go 3 more times. Exhale to go forward. Inhale to come back up. Exhale, the waist pulls back. Inhale to come back up. Exhale, the legs reach forward into the wall without locking the knee. Inhale to come back up. Place your feet on the floor and roll yourself all the way down with control. Let's visit the bridge. So both feet scoot underneath the knees, arms down by your sides. Inhale at the bottom and then exhale, scoop the tail to roll all the way up into your bridge. Inhale at the top and then exhale, make your way right back down. Let's do that 5 more times. Inhale at the bottom, exhale, roll yourself back up. Inhale at the top and then exhale, roll back down. Now as you keep doing this on your own breath cycle, keep the sensation that the feet were reaching into the wall, but the stomach was pulling in the opposite direction. You can even do that here as your feet are anchored to the floor. And if you're moving in opposition like that from inside, what it'll feel like is that your head doesn't feel the need to move. It can just stay right in place because the lower half of you is reaching away from the upper half of you and vice versa. So we go again, exhale to roll up, inhale at the top, and then exhale to roll down, inhale at the bottom. You've got 1 more to go. Exhale to roll up. Pull your heels in a little closer this time, reach your knee bones forward, and then make your way back down on the exhale. And then we move into the shoulder bridge. So you roll all the way up into the bridge and you stay. Press the arms down and reach them toward the wall. Keep the hip bones level, and on your inhale, float 1 leg up to tabletop. Exhale to put it down. Today, if you'd like to move on a little bit more challenging, straighten the leg once it gets to the top, and then put it back down. Straighten the other leg as it gets to the top. And I'll give you one more variation if that feels like you've got the hang of that. Keep one leg in the air and then lower it to touch the wall, lift it back up, and do that 3 times before changing sides. The goal is still the same, so even though there's all this other fancy stuff going on, we're just working in opposition of one part of us to the other part of us. And then once that last foot is on the floor, take another deep breath in, stretch your knees forward toward the wall, pull your stomach in the opposite direction, and then roll yourself all the way down. Grab both knees and rock yourself up to seated. We're going to use the wall today to push our hands into for the side kick, which we also visited last class. Scoot far enough away from the wall that you can get both palms on the wall with your head resting on your bottom arm. If you're using a couch or something like that that doesn't have a bottom to it, support the weight of your head in your bottom arm and simply reach the top hand into the side of the couch. This arm could also go underneath if there's a space there. Either way, push into the wall the same as you did with your feet, and then extend your legs to the bottom corner of your mat. The whole purpose of pushing into the wall is to get this feeling of reaching the upper body away from the lower body when we don't have anything to push against. So pushing into the wall, 2-way stretching your upper half away from your lower half, lift your bottom leg. Exhale to kick that leg forward and then inhale to kick it back. And as you keep doing this 8 times, anchoring the bottom foot into the ground, notice how much of a press through here can help you find your center to reach into your leg. And this is the connection to center that we're always talking about in Pilates. Let's go 4 more. Exhale to go forward, inhale to go back. And the idea is that when you look at somebody doing this exercise, it's just the leg that moves. And that leg comes down, bend your knees into your chest, push yourself up, and then you're going to flip around or just simply roll over to the other direction. Yep. Once you're there, place your hands against the wall again, press yourself out. Maybe your knees are bent for just a moment so you can get this feeling. Then the legs extend to the bottom corner of your mat. Your upper body is to the back of your mat. Lift your top leg up. And same thing on your second side. Exhale to go forward, inhale to go back. Exhale to go, I would move this, but this weighs 50 pounds. Exhale to go forward, inhale to go back. And there is a little bit of a rhythm to this that we typically use, and that's going to go like this. Exhale for 2 and inhale for 2. Just a little more challenging once you get the idea of stretching the body in 2 directions. Either way, wherever you are. And last time, bring the legs together, bend the knees, use your hand on the floor to push yourself up, and we'll end where we started today. So go ahead and stand on up. Place yourself close to the wall with your, just revisiting your roll downs. Inhale, your arms go up. And then exhale to roll yourself down. If that was easy, scoot a little bit closer to the wall to challenge yourself to stay away from the wall as you roll up and down. If it felt impossible again to keep yourself from touching the wall, scoot a little bit further forward. Good, and then do one more. Inhale, the arms go up. And exhale, you roll down. Inhale at the bottom, maintaining the space between the tummy and the thighs, and then exhale, roll back up. Nice work, everyone. See you for day 7.